Cubic capacity of engine. Cubic capacity, cc, or engine displacement, measures the total volume of all cylinders in an engine in cubic centimeters, determining the amount of air-fuel mixture burned. Generally, higher cc means more power and faster acceleration but lower fuel efficiency. It is calculated as the aspects of cubic capacity cc. Definition. It is the space covered by the pistons inside the cylinders from the bottom dead center BDC to the top dead center TDC. Measurement. Usually measured in cubic centimeters cc. Performance impact. A larger cc generally equates to more power and higher torque, but typically lower fuel efficiency. Common ranges. Scooters, small bikes. Commuter bikes, small cars. Cars, performance bikes. Calculation formula. 4. Diameter of the cylinder. Stroke. Distance the piston travels. While higher cc usually means more power, modern turbocharged or supercharged engines can produce high power with smaller displacement.